Well, I'm still here on the PCC stand, and I've come across this 1948 Safari Miner. Now, Safari were another luxury caravan manufacturer, but the unusual thing about this, the Miner is the entrance, because it's actually over the drawbar. Very unusual and an unusual feature at the time. So no doors at the side or at the rear. You come through here over the drawbar. Now, Safari were built near Keynes Cross in Gloucestershire for a good many years. The company was taken over eventually by Casalt in 1968, and then the name became underneath the Swift Group. As the Safari badge unfortunately went only for a dealer special in modern times some years ago. So let's have a look at the little Safari Miner, because this is another little dinky caravan. Let's go and have a look inside. Well, I'm inside the little Safari here, and they made this from 1948 and then stopped it again for a little while and made it till 1952. Now the thing is, what you notice is that there's two seats here which can seat two people at with no problem at all, and your table. You've got two side windows, but you've no rear window. You've just got a rear shutter. Right, I'm sat in the little Safari Miner. This is, as I said before, it's a 1948 model, and the drawbar is at the front, and that's where, of course, where your entrance is. That's where I just came through, and it's very cosy for two, because of course that's what it was designed for. You've got your little table here which folded away, and you can make a double bed out of these two settees here. You've got a wardrobe over here and some lockers storage up here and above here. Now the end here, it was just basically a opening, no window, it was just a shutter. You just opened up and you could let some air through. Now also, what there is the sink unit here, and you would have used that not only just to do your washing up in, but actually to wash in. And because in those days, of course, sites were still very basic. There wasn't many toilets around, and what, you know, shower blocks like there is today. So basically, you'd have to do everything in here. There's a little cooker. There's been a little fire put in here as well. And yes, your meals would have been quite simple. There's no doubt about it. But back in 1948, after the war, this had been a perfect holiday after all the ravages and the bad news that war brought. To get away in this little Safari would have been ideal. It'd been nice to get away in a nice little site somewhere. For a bit of extra light, you've got a largish roof light at the top here. Again, this has been a caravan that's been restored quite extensively by the owner, Rob Finney, actually, and he's done quite a lot of work on it, and he's done a good job. He's brought it pretty much back up to how it would have looked when the caravan was built. But again, as I say, I just love this sort of era. I love all these classic caravans. I love the new stuff as well, as you know. But there's something about this. There's something about these tourers that actually brings back the time when life was more simpler. And the PCC do a great job on their displays, especially at the show such as the Classic Car Show. They do hold rallies throughout the year, and if there's one near you, I do suggest you go and visit them, because it's very, very interesting. But here we are, as I say, in the Safari, and it's time now to go. I'm going to be heading off back home, and I've enjoyed my day here at the Classic Car Show and on the PCC stand. You've all made me very welcome, and everyone's very friendly, and also they'll tell you all about the caravans here on display. I'm signing off now, but do please feel free to put a like and also to subscribe to this channel. And it's bye for now, and I shall see you again soon. Bye bye.